What's good? What's up? Can Brooklyn get a little love? I'm back again with another video. I hope y'all enjoying my videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And today I have with me 2025. I just want to snack on something for today. How y'all doing out here on this beautiful day? And yes, it's 2025. 2025. I like to keep on repeating myself because some people say they cannot hear me. But just because, probably because my fan is on and all that, because it's hot in here. Like I said, I do not eat cornstarch unless I'm on camera. I used to be very addicted to this, but I take my vitamins and I took very good care of myself. But I do crave, and that's why I make videos and I eat my starch. I got a taste for this also. I'm gonna just take a scoop of this, a scoop of this, Argo Laundry, oh, and it's 2023. My son needs to turn that AC on, because I just had the oven on. And for you BP lovers, I can sprinkle this on top. 3 little scoops. And yes, I do swallow. If you watch my videos, you will know that. And thank you for everybody that's been supporting. Mm-hmm. Mm.